I'm gonna try this wavy hair routine that we saw on TikTok, or I saw on TikTok. Hopefully it does something with my hair, and the product just don't ruin it. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, I'm gonna wash my hair, throw away all of that. I am going to use this Curl Definition conditioner. I haven't used this yet, so we're gonna try this out and see if I can help.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
That video, I just got out of the shower, I combed through my hair, I put in a little of like leave-in conditioner of the Olaplex, and then I'm following the video. I used this curl defining cream, so I put that in my hair, I combed it through, and now I'm about to wrap my hair up. She says have it up in this little like towel tie thing for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I got my hair wrapped up. I'm gonna keep it for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put laundry away, and while I'm at it, I put this Superfoods acai and blueberry gel mask. It smells delicious and it feels really refreshing, so we're gonna keep that on. I'm gonna go put laundry away and then we'll keep going. All right, so I washed my face, I did my skincare routine, I just got my hair out of that towel thing. I'm going to apply some mousse and then some gel, and then use a diffuser to help dry it a little bit, and we'll see what it looks like after. Okay, so I straighten my hair a lot, so if I do have curly hair at all, it's probably definitely like run down. But I did the diffuser, the oil, the definition cream, the mousse, and then I went ahead and added Olaplex oil just to soften it up a little bit. But I am pretty amazed that it is doing what it's doing at all. So yeah, I might keep trying this just to see how it works out for me. I'm gonna sleep on it tonight, see how it looks in the morning. I guess we'll find out.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a